Audio is often one of the most overlooked aspects of filmmaking. It's said if you've got a good picture but bad audio, your audience will switch off. But if you've got great audio and a bad picture, your audience will be more forgiving and be more engaged. When it comes to audio, you might hear the term scratch audio, which refers to the audio recorded by the inbuilt camera mic. And then there's also going to be dedicated audio tracks that you record specifically to use in your edit. There's two main types of microphone. You've got shotgun microphones, which are the longer microphones often operated by a boom operator, and then lavalier microphones like this one, which you attach to your subject. Whether you use a shotgun or a lavalier microphone, it's really important to get your microphone as close to your subject as possible. You're always going to want to monitor your audio. That means having headphones on and listening to it while it's being recorded to make sure there's no clothes rubbing or scratching on the microphone that's going to ruin it. And lastly, if you're recording your audio onto a separate device like an audio recorder, it's really important to do a sync clap, which means you can sync up the audio and maybe one or two cameras that you record it onto.
For more filmmaking, education and resources, make sure you visit the link in the description.